504, we have a third system I realize I need called the fractal inserter, called Frackins for short, because that's the 7-letter system name we're going to use. And it's going to combine the fractal eraser with the fractal brush. So we're going to use this as a starting off point. So we're going to start with a 16x tile, and we're going to use a 7x7 fractal inserter. And in the first step, we're going to erase a 7x7 chunk of tiles here, and we're going to leave behind some 4x tiles and 2x tiles and 1x tiles. We're going to leave behind those tiles where the original 16x mono tile was. The next thing we're going to do is in the void left behind, we want to insert the biggest possible tiles we can. What's the biggest possible tile we can insert here? Is it a 7x tile? No, it's not, because there's no such thing as a 7x tile in our engine. There's only powers of 2. 7 is not a power of 2. So we need to figure out what we're going to fill in here that is as large as possible. So what's as large as possible to fill in here? Well, it's this. It's a combination of 4x tile here, some 2x tiles right here, and then some 1x tiles right over here in this bottom left corner. So for summary, we use this 7x7 fractal inserter brush, right? So we're measuring the size of the inserter in terms of player size tiles. We use this to erase a chunk of tiles of this size. And then in that void, we inserted this pattern of tiles into the void, right? So we have the 4x, the 2x is over here, and the 1x is over here. So the cool thing is that with one click on a 16x tile, we get all of these different shapes and sizes. We're making like a 2D ZBrush. It's pretty awesome. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. You have been on this playlist. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist here. If you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here. Email me here. I am Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic IV MMO. Like and subscribe.